Welcome to this review of Asustor Drivestor 2 Lite. It is an entry-level NAS designed for home users and small businesses looking for an affordable and efficient storage solution. In this video, we will deep dive into its hardware, setup process, and real-world use cases to see if it is the right NAS for you. Let's do the unboxing. So the AS1102TL comes in a well-protected package. Inside the box, you will find the NAS unit, a power adapter, an Ethernet cable, a quick start guide. The device itself features a sleek black matte finish with good ventilation. So hardware specification: under the hood, the AS1102TL is powered by Realtek 1.7 GHz processor and 1 GB of DDR4 RAM. It supports up to two 3.5-inch SATA HDDs or SSDs with a maximum capacity of 22 TB per drive. For connectivity, you can get a single gigabit Ethernet port and two USB ports. One USB 3.0 Generation 1 in the front and a 2.0 in the back. So let's talk about setup and installation. AS1102TL is simple and beginner friendly. Connect the power. So network and power both is connected. You have to wait for 4 to 5 minutes. It will give you a beep. The moment it gives you beep, it means that you are now ready to begin the setup. Initialize the NAS using the Asustor Control Center and install ADM, which is Asustor Data Master. Configure RAID setting. I tested it in RAID 1 for the redundancy. So install additional apps and services from the built-in App Store. ADM is one of the most user-friendly NAS operating system, making it easy to manage storage, set up remote access, and configure backups. Performance and features: the NAS delivers read-write speed of around 113 Mbps in RAID 1, which is great for everyday use. AS1102TL supports RAID 0, RAID 1, and single disk configuration. I set it up in the RAID, which mirrors the data across two drives, ensuring redundancy in case of one drive failure. Asustor Data Master or ADM OS, which provides a range of powerful features, file sharing, and remote access. Easily access files from anywhere. Then you can, of course, do the backup and cloud sync. You can use this as a media server, and you can also use it for the surveillance system where you can monitor and manage the CCTV cameras or security cameras. And you can also run the Docker virtualization. You can run the lightweight container applications in this particular solution. It includes a firewall, encryption, and two-factor authentication to ensure that your NAS storage is secure and protected. The ADM interface is intuitive and beginner-friendly, making it ideal for first-time NAS users. Who is this NAS for? The AS1102TL is perfect for the home cloud storage, where you can store and access files remotely. You can also use for business file sharing. It is ideal for the small team in your business, and even backup and security. You can do the automated backup and protect data with RAID 1. It is also for personal web hosting. You can run the small websites and applications. Let us compare the AS1102TL with other NAS storage. So I can say that AS1102TL can be compared to Synology DS220J and QNAP TS230. With the Realtek RDD 1.7 GHz in Asustor, if I compare the RAM, 1 GB versus 512 versus 2 GB, 1 gigabit port in all. When I talk about RAID support, of course, all support RAID 0, RAID 1, and JPOD. So when you are comparing it to the competitors, the AS1102TL offers encryption supports and more flexible software ecosystem, making it a strong choice for entry-level NAS market. If I talk about pros and cons, let us first talk about pros. It is, of course, affordable with a solid performance. It is easy to use with ADM software. It has the hardware encryption support, and it supports up to 22 TB per drive. Cons, RAM is limited to 1 GB. So network is 1 Gbps, not 2.5, which I feel that it is a drawback because most of the switches support this. It has limited third-party apps and stores compared to Synology. And final verdict, should you buy AS1102TL, is an excellent budget-friendly NAS for home users and small businesses. So if you want an affordable home NAS solution, need a personal cloud storage alternatives, plan to stream media with Plex or Kodi. For the price, the AS1102TL offers excellent value and it is an ideal starting point for NAS beginners. That's it for this review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more NAS reviews and tech content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.